it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. Yes, so today's video is a Superdrug haul. It's not a massive haul, I'll be honest, just picked up a couple of bits, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I haven't actually opened this yet. I feel like this is a big box for what I've actually got in here. Just done a terrible job of opening the box. Okay, so first thing is first, and if you watch my Superdrug hauls regularly, you will know that this is something I pick up often. I got the Simple Kind to Skin Eye Makeup Remover. This is something I pick up all the time. I absolutely love it. It's my favourite eye makeup remover. Superdrug have it on offer so often that it's always worth checking there when I'm doing a haul. So this again, it was on offer. It was better than half price. It should have been £3.79, but I got it for £1.85 each. This also appears often on my Instagram account. If you're not following me on there, make sure you follow me. I do an empties post every month telling you what I've thought of products that I've made my way all the way through. So, oh my God, I've just noticed one of my nail polishes chipped off yesterday. What a state, bloody hell. But yes, this is my fave. I think most of the things I picked up actually in this haul have been better than half price. So they're all a bargain, as always with my Superdrug hauls. This next one, again, was better than half price. This one I got for Chris's birthday. He's hopeless with his skincare. So I've just picked him up this B.Men face serum. It's anti-aging. It's probably got decent stuff. It's a pump, so I know he likes it if it's a pump. This again was better than half price. It was £9.99 down to £4.96. So not bad at all. Hopefully you like it. I can't really tell you much about that one because it's not something he's tried before. Next thing that I picked up was I got myself a Dove exfoliating body scrub with crushed macadamia and rice milk scent. I bought one of these a couple of Superdrug hauls ago. It might have been my last Superdrug haul, can't remember. It's amazing. It's lovely. I really, really like this stuff. So I picked up another one because, again, it was better than half price. So this should have been £5.99, but I got it for £2.99. This is just fab. It's just that really fine kind of scrub. It works a treat on your skin and it smells amazing. So I definitely wanted to pick up another one of those. It's my new favourite body scrub. Really, really like it. So it's on offer. Why not? Next, summer is here. My legs are out a lot more. So I picked myself up some razors. These are the Gillette Simply Venus two-blade 8-pack. These should have been £3.59, but I got them for £1.78. They're just a necessity, aren't they, really? Disposable razors, maybe not the most economically friendly, but they're the cheapest and they work. I see a lot about this Hey Estrid stuff recently, but I've not really seen much from anybody who hasn't been sponsored by them or gifted by them. So I don't know. Curious though. I am curious. But anyway, they're just super useful summer things, aren't they, really? So that's them. Okay, and the very last item on the haul, well, it's actually 3 items. Superdrug had like a sales section on their website. I had a little browse. A lot of the good stuff was out of stock, but they had some interesting things. I picked up a face mask. I picked up this one. It's a Toy Story alien face mask. You know I love a good gimmicky face mask. Mad Beauty do some amazing ones. This was on sale. It should have been £5 down to £1.25. The only catch was apparently you had to buy 3. So I bought 3. One for me, that'll go on Face Mask Friday. One I thought could go in a giveaway, and one I will give to a friend. But they were less than the price of one for the 3 of them, so that is it. So yeah, £3.75 for the 3 face masks. Like I said, I love a good gimmicky face mask, and Mad Beauty's Disney ones are certainly interesting, I think is the word. Certainly interesting. Okay, so that's actually the last thing on the haul this month. Didn't get a crazy one, just topped up on some bits that I wanted. Picked up a couple of gifty bits. Nothing exciting, but I thought, even though it's just a little one, I'll share it with you, show you what I got. Might as well, I know you guys like watching. I like a good haul, so why not film it? So drop me a comment and let me know what you think of some of the things that I picked up. Have you tried any of them? Just let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I do Superdrug hauls often, various other hauls and things. I've just done a Primark one, I do B.Men, I've got unboxings coming. There's a Look Fantastic and Glossy Box unboxing coming very soon. And I've got lots of different makeup and bits to try out, so stick around. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care, bye-bye.